Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber.
Thursday, September 8th, 5:10 p.m. New York time. U.S. stock markets closed as well as the U.S. futures markets closed. We look at the financial instruments. I find it very interesting this time to look at because the Federal Reserve made comments today. And a lot has been happening with the yields, aka interest rates in the futures market. So let's look at the health and welfare of the financial institution, the financial sector. Yeah, the financial sector has 8 industries in there. So we'll go over all 8, and we just look at a few stocks in each. Each chart has a candlestick representing the current week. Well, the current week's not ended yet, so the current candle's not done yet. And we're looking at 1-year duration. But first, we're going to look at the financial asset management industry. Those are the kind of businesses people outsource their services to manage their wealth. Well, first we look here at BlackRock, Bravo Lima Kilo. That's a stock symbol, phonetic alphabet. If you're not familiar with that, join the service. Bravo Lima Kilo company, BlackRock. Current candle is green. We're higher than last week. Bigger trading ranges too. Bigger trading range as well. Yeah, I don't speak English much. The struggles are real. Wink, wink. Look at those past weeks sell-off. This week up. Okay, that looks pretty. Some people. Well, here we had a high, had a supply zone, sold off. When we went up, we couldn't even get back in there. We sold off, so we're making lower highs. This was a nice consolidation here. Yeah, so bigger pictures, we're in a range. We're in a range. There's a level up here, 800, level up here, 700, level down here, 600. Be very concerning about this one before it hasn't proven itself yet. See is worthy to be a investment product today. Next, Bravo Kilo, Bank of New York. Look at that. Longer consolidation. Yeah, big trading range this week. Similar pattern as the one I just showed you, but it's a big trading range. Well, here we had a trend. Here's a trading range, a consolidation, a base. What word do you prefer to hear it as? Consolidation or base? Have you heard of those both words referred to as a chart pattern like this? I prefer to use the word consolidation. Struggling and spelling it correctly makes me often type out the word base. The struggle's real. Bravo, X-ray, Blackstone. Inside candle for the week. Can't even take out the high of last week. It's struggling. Smaller trading range. Again, here's a high for the year, much closer to the low of the year. India, Victor, Zulu, Invesco. Similar patterns to the other ones. Yeah, mostly it's in a big consolidation here, below the 20 bucks, much closer to the low of the year. Not so good. TROW, Tango Romeo Oscar Whiskey. T. Rose Price, one of the early companies I used to invest in their mutual funds when I was doing mutual funds a long time ago. Look at that huge consolidation down here. Inside candle came and take out the high of last week. Yeah, it's struggling. Here's a high for this year. We're much closer to the low again. It's struggling. That's not leadership. Sierra, Tango, State Street Corporation. Again, very similar pattern, but basically it's in a tight consolidation. So overall, the financial asset management industry within the financial services is a failure. I approve that message. I'm not running for office. Well, let's go on to the next. Let's look at the financial banks, diversified. Remember that word, diversified. These are the big companies I'm showing you. Juliet Papa Mike, JP Morgan. And when it's diversified, that means they offer a lot of services. So here's acceleration, impulse move up, retracement, currently green. We're above ice, big blue line ice, midpoint, that big body. Couldn't even take it out prior weeks. Yeah, it's still struggling. Bravo, Alpha, Mike, Bank of America. Similar pattern. Again, tight consolidation down here. Again, you could look at it in a higher perspective. You could say it's resting, it's building calls, it's doing both. At some point in time, one is going to expect it to trend, might trend to a breakout to the upside or further downside. Hotel, Sierra Bravo, Charlie. Yeah. Green for the week, already lower low than last week, lower high. Massive consolidation is struggling down here. It's definitely struggling. Whiskey, Foxtrot, Charlie, Wells Fargo. So look at this consolidation. Down here too, still staircase pattern, higher high. Came into the swing high, rejected it, had that red candle, dodgy. Here's a high for the year. Citigroup. Yeah, here we already have this consolidation. Staircase broke down, making a lower staircase pattern, lower low. So it has good opportunity to probably to retest this demand zone where buyers were before. We have a swing higher up here. That might be a failure. But look at this. Overall, it's an consolidation. It's not doing much for the year. You're not getting good returns on your investment if you're buying these and parking your money in there. No, still, technology is the best sector. You just have to look for the best industries in the best sector. Royal Bank of Canada, inside candle for the week. Huge consolidation down here, struggling. So that was the banks. Diversified is not looking good. Nope. Let's go to the financial banks regional. Maybe they are stronger. Maybe. Uniform Sierra Bravo. Nope. Again, overall, look at this, mostly a consolidation phase. Hotel Delta Bravo. Well, this is interesting. Big consolidation phase down here. I could basically do this. Yeah, we call that out. Here's a consolidation phase. Over time, broke up to the upside, impulse up, tested this midpoint, rejected it. Again, still building a staircase pattern higher high. Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Trust Financial. Stock symbol Tango Foxtrot Charlie. So I'm seeing them have more of a presence in the Tampa location of Florida. So they're doing a lot of advertisement on social media, trying to entice new customers to come to open accounts there, luring away customers from other businesses so they can pay for their expenses, opening up the new offices down here. So if they have positive favor in the community, gaining new accounts, giving loans, they might actually start growing because, again, they're expanding their base. That might be an opportunity to buy them down here. You might consider buying one share. Maybe I'll buy one share this week. Yep. And then hold it for a while and see how things go. If it breaks below 45, I'll maybe get out of it. If it goes to 50, maybe I'll sell it. Something consider to do tomorrow. Also see if they have options. Yeah. Again, this is regional banks. They don't have a present the whole nation, just different sections, regions. Papa, November, Charlie. Look at them. Tight consolidation. India, Bravo, November. Oh, yeah. All-time new high for the year. Trending up. That is leadership. Nice. Very nice. Let's put this on a monthly. Wow. Let's put this even higher up. Take all that off. So this is going all the way back to 2000. Wow, mega growth from the past few years. Yeah, that's good. Maybe consider buy one of those shares. Whatever they're doing, business plan is working for them. Don't know who they're cheating, screwing, or how they're honestly earning money when you see the other ones are struggling. Yeah. Foxtrot, Romeo, Charlie. Let's go back here. I'll fix this, put this on weekly. Okay, Foxtrot, Romeo, Charlie. First Republic Bank of San Francisco. Massive consolidation down here. So takeaway when we zoom in to each of these, the regionals, most of them are near the bottom, near the year low. Yeah, most of them are struggling, but not this one. India Bravo November, all-time new high for the year, all-time new high. We just went over all those other industries. None of them were doing that. So might want to look more into this company and see who's managing it. Get the history to know the team behind this company. It's not that hard to do that. Public information. Okay, let's go on to the next. Capital markets, financial capital markets. Financial capital markets. Morgan Stanley, Mike Sierra. This consolidation phase. So it was doing staircase pattern lower low, reverse, and consolidation phase. Look at that struggling up there. Charles Schwab, Sierra, Charlie Hotel Whiskey. Yep, look at this one struggling too. Tight consolidation right here. Impulse move up, did a retracement in green. We'll see if that's going to have confidence to break that supply zone. Goldman Sachs, similar pattern. Yep, similar pattern. Bravo November Sierra, Bank of Nova Scotia. Oof, new low for the year. Yeah, that's bad. India Bravo Kilo Romeo, Interactive Brokers. Wow, massive consolidation down here. Broke up impulse move. And look at this big move up. So it's testing a supply zone where Silla's before. Breaks above here, some new buyers may come. So if it breaks above this high, new buyers, new money coming in here. That's confidence. Doesn't mean they're right, but someone would have to show proving that they have confidence to want to be buying up here. So I would set alert and consider buying that if it goes above that, or sit on hands if it breaks above that on a retracement weakness. Look to buy. So here you had the strength on the upside, retracement. There was a nice opportunity to buy. Interesting. Yeah. Romeo, Juliet Foxtrot, Raymond James. Yeah, look at that. Huge whipsaw and a trend up retracement. So buyer stepped in here. Same thing. See if this could break above that high. But overall, capital markets not looking the best. Nope. Let's continue on. Credit card services. Yeah. Last time I showed you that they were poor performing. So Visa, look at this, terrible. So much consolidation there. Currently trending down, bad shape. That's Visa. Like Alpha, MasterCard also trending down there. Let's look at that. Again, not doing so well. Who's taking the business away from these major credit cards? PayPal, even worse. Even worse. Here's the high for the year. All these consolidations break down lower low. I actually did a day trade today. This option expires tomorrow, so I'm hoping it would go lower and then close for a gain because it expires tomorrow, this option. I did one contract, playing around. That's it. Bought a put option, spent a few pennies, and either way, expires tomorrow, so I will be out of it, either keeping a few pennies or making a few pennies. American Express, Alpha X-Ray, Papa. Yeah, another failure. Midpoint of that rollover, not good. Charlie Oscar, Foxtrot, Capital One Financial. Wow, that's not good. Look at that. Massive consolidation struggling down there. Delta, Foxtrot, Sierra, Discovery Financial, getting bad. This is a bad industry right now. Credit card services. Here we go. Whiskey Uniform, Western Union. Oh, new low for the year. Okay. When I was in Texas, a lot of migrant workers went to Western Union and sent their money back home wherever they lived. Western Union was making a lot of money. A lot of money. Also, internally, a lot of people use it. But again, smart apps, I guess, overtook this. Obviously, it's not blockchain making money, because blockchain is making new lows, such as Bitcoin new lows. MGI, more MoneyGram, similar to Western Union. They have exclusive contract, I think, with Walmart and some other places. Yeah, look at them. Massive acceleration. They're not performing well neither. And that was a credit card services. Not so good. On to the next. Oof, the insurance diversified. Yeah. Convince you that you need it. AIG. Oh, well, not looking good. Sloppy. Not good. Sierra, Lima, Foxtrot. Nope. Almost near the new lows of the year. Hotel India Golf also struggling down here. These diversified assurances, maybe they need to offer better services. Papa Foxtrot Golf. Okay, here's a high for the year. Failed to take that out. Big impulse move up, massive retest. So one to consider, this is building consolidation here, and that might be proven as a good demand zone for buyers. Golf, Sierra, Hotel Delta. Nope, bad shape. Echo, Quebec Hotel, also not looking good there. Oof. Let's go on to the next. On to the financial insurance life. Who still buys these? Besides businesses for their upper employees. MetLife. Yeah, consolidation. It's real sloppy here. Not looking much good. Mike Foxtrot, Charlie. Oof, trending down. Excuse me. Papa Romeo Uniform, Prudential. Inside candle. Building consolidation, but again, it's not looking good down here. Alpha Foxtrot Lima. Oh, that's struggling too. Yeah. Lima November, Charlie. Wow. Well, that time sit down here doing nothing for trends. Papa Romeo India, trending down, not looking good. Massive consolidation down here, not looking good. Okay, let's go into the last industry in the financial sector. Almost done, folks. Hopefully you're still awake. Dinner soon. Here we go. Romeo, look at this. This is the financial mortgage finance, the mortgage sector, the mortgage industry. This is Rocket, Romeo Kilo Tango. It did a stock IPO last year, and it's failure. Yeah. Let's just see if we get a little bit more data. My fault. 2 years ago. Yep, 2 years ago. It's not 5. I know it's just recently. Okay. So 2 years ago, or we want to say 3 years ago, but this current year is not done. It did the stock IPO. And for 2 years, it was hanging above, mostly above $15, the high of $40.88. Then since the end of last year, broke below 15, couldn't get back in that level, went lower, broke below $10, tested above it and filled again. Yeah, it's almost down to $5. If it goes to $5 or lower, because it's on the New York Stock Exchange, they will notify them by letter that say you need to get your stock above $5 or risk being delisted from the New York Stock Exchange. That means they'll have to find another stock exchange to go on. And some other ones may say, hey, you're not a winner, you're a loser, get out of here. So they might have to end up going to a tiny stock exchange, one of the OTC ones. Not good. Uniform, Whiskey Mike Charlie. Wow, it's not good neither. Papa Foxtrot Sierra India. Yeah, that's struggling too. Whiskey Delta. Not good. Wow, these mortgages ones are looking bad. Hotel Tango Golf Charlie. Wow, massive sell-off the past weeks. and Tango Romeo Echo Echo Langdon Tree. Oof, they've been around for a long time in history. Look at that, almost at the new low. Wow, not good. No, that's in bad shape. Okay, many thanks for watching. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. If you've gotten value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal or Venmo. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe and leave a comment, please.